Alright everyone, so recently the producers of the Shazam film sat down with Newsweek for an exclusive interview to give an update on the movie and where it's at in the development process and whether or not the character will exist in the shared DC extended universe that such characters as Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and The Flash exist in. So basically they started off by saying yes, that Shazam will live in the same world as the other films, but that this team working on the movie has incredible autonomy over this brand and franchise. They're working with a completely different team of producers and directors. It's a very different setup than what we've seen with Zack Snyder's sort of quote-unquote Snyderverse of, the Justice League characters and that sort of thing. It's going to feel very different than the other movies that we have coming out, like Justice League and Wonder Woman. They said, quote, that you're going to see different positions and different points of view by the time that Shazam actually hits theaters, because they're going to fit in nicely with the world that's been created, but not such a shorthand relationship, because people will be able to say, oh, this is within the family of DC films, but it's very different. Basically, the producers are saying that they're looking at every franchise that's out there because they don't want to look away from what's working. They want to look at what's working with the Batman movies, what's working with Avengers, what's working with the Deadpool film, and just kind of take elements and see what people are responding to make the best possible movie. Since Shazam is currently dated for a 2019 release date, the people working on the movie don't really have to rush this process. They can kind of take their time, look at what's working, and develop this thing incredibly on their own. So I think that's pretty cool news to hear, and I'm very excited to see the Shazam film because I love the Shazam character. I think Billy Batson's an awesome character, and I think that he would be this great injection of fun and just youth that the DC films actually need right now. This really different change of pace of what they're doing with this deconstruction of superheroes and stuff. I think Shazam could be this very offbeat kind of fun movie about a kid that gets the powers of gods and can take on different enemies like Black Adam and stuff like that. So anyways, post your thoughts down in the comment section below. Are you guys excited to see the Shazam movie, and who would you actually like to play Shazam himself to go up against Dwayne Johnson's Black Adam? Leave all those thoughts down in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down there to stay up to date on all the latest content that we provide here at the Hybrid Network. My name is Nick, and I'll catch you guys next time.